My name is Yuji Hattori. I am a master course student of Tohoku University. I have been in this laboratory for 3 years. The reason why I chose this laboratory is that I was impressed by Professor Hattori's approach in research. He always considers governing equation when he thinks about the problems. Even if the problem is complicated, it's governed by the equations. So we should always think along the governing equation for the problems. I believe that studying with this approach will make me a great researcher. This is because I chose this laboratory. My current research project is compressive turbulence. Turbulence appears in a lot of engineering and scientific problems. Furthermore, especially in the field of aerospace, high-speed flow appears and it is significantly affected by the compressibility. We have to consider compressibility in addition to turbulence in such fields. Compressive turbulence is important because of a lot of application in the aerospace field, as I said. However, the singularity, like shock wave and complexity, makes the problem difficult to understand. Actually, compressive turbulence hasn't understood enough yet. We tackle this problem by using direct numerical simulation. Our goal of this study is to clarify the mechanisms and properties of compressive turbulence and to apply to a lot of engineering and scientific problems. Let me talk about this summer experience. I joined the Space Studies program of International Space University for 2.5 months. This program is for bringing up future leaders of space. More than 100 people from more than 20 different countries got together. We studied about space through various lectures and workshops. This study abroad program is not related with my research project directly, but I learned a lot of things from this program. One of the most important things for me was to learn how to tackle a problem. I learned that when I attack a problem actively, I can learn a lot of things from one problem. Although this might not look so difficult, it was not until I joined this program that I noticed it. I had some difficult time because my English skill was not so good. So I had to change my approach to acquire as many things as possible from that program. This experience changed my way of thinking. I can make good use of this experience in the future career.
My name is Yuji Hattori. I'm a 4th year undergraduate. When I was a 3rd year in Hattori Nakano Laboratory, I learned the computer simulation in the training program of Tohoku University. I was surprised and interested in its ability to simulate many phenomena which cannot be realized in the experiment. This led me to become a member of Hattori Nakano Laboratory. I was a beginner in programming, so I started from easy exercises with professors and member support. Now, after 6 months, I can make various difficult and complex programs myself. I enjoy reflecting my ideas and imaginations in my calculation programs. Now, I'm doing the simulation of the fluid flow between 2 cylinders and analyzing its errors. This is a basic study for high-resolution numerical simulation around complex geometry and moving deformable body, and this will be applied for various phenomena such as flow around buildings, vehicles, airplanes, and marine organisms. Our laboratory is a small one, so all members talk about anything with each other. We usually talk and discuss our study and private thing without hesitation. All members always try to see one problem from own angle and have own ideas. This helps me to discover new things and new ideas every day. And after hours, we play futsal with other laboratories members in IFS. Our laboratory is very friendly. These communications enable us to integrate each member's personalities and strong points so we can do better study and we can spend a better laboratory life.